We obviously have a great interest in monitoring and analyzing the global monetary system. And I use the term Eurodollar, but the use of the word Eurodollar is actually a term of art. It's not a precise term, especially in the modern incarnation of it. A long time ago, the Eurodollar was an actual thing. These were actual deposits of dollars offshore in some account, in the Cayman Islands, in Montreal, Canada, over in Asia or someplace else. So over time, the last half century or so, these deposits of actual physical dollars have kind of went away, and what replaced them has been bank liabilities of all sorts of varieties and exotic formats where there aren't actually any dollars. But it is still basically an offshore system. Therefore, the Eurodollar term kind of applies, at least out of that historical perspective. By and large, this Eurodollar system doesn't have any dollars in it, even though it's denominated in dollars. It's all credit-based. These are chains of bank liabilities that over time have formed an entire monetary ecosystem that operates outside national boundaries, outside the boundaries of the United States, which kind of makes it unique in a way because it's dollars, but they're not really dollars. And that's why I use the term Eurodollar. Up until August 2007, there was nothing wrong with it. The thing operated pretty well. Obviously it went a little bit too far. The fact that in the 90s and 2000s, we got into a situation where we had global asset bubbles. By and large, the system operated and expanded at an incredible pace in an almost reliable way. But starting in August 2007, the system began to doubt itself and began to break down. And ever since that time, we've been in intermittent periods of monetary deflation where we go back and forth with these mini cycles where things appear to be getting better, and then they don't really get better because we go back into a monetary event. So the global economy, the global monetary system, since 2007, we're talking about 11 years now, has been stuck going back and forth between these intermittent periods of reflation and deflation, where the net effect of that is we never ever actually get into a global economic recovery.